Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I want to welcome you out here to my shop. We've been doing a Bermudagrass renovation where we went from a lot of crap to what we have now. Bermuda's filling in real good. I mowed it twice. It's basically going to be a quick update on it. You're going to see the process. I've got tons of videos on how I've done this entire thing from start to finish. You can go back through my videos and check them out. So I think we're on day number 13, 14, something like that, from the time that I put the grass seed down. And you can see it's coming in pretty good. Still got a few thin spots here and there. I actually had to sand a few spots here and there. I found a couple more little, slightly imperfected spots that were a little bit low, so I put a little bit of sand in them. And I'm on my second application of Carbon X. Okay, I done the first one a week ago. Every 7 days I'm going to do an application of Carbon X to really push this stuff before it gets cold. I know it's a little jacked up. You go on my Instagram page, you're actually seeing live, well, not live, this stuff ain't live, but you're seeing day-to-day updates in real time. That's at GCI Turf Services. So go check us out on Instagram. I'm doing daily updates on this right here, so folks can, kind of follow the progress. And of course, editing YouTube videos, it takes a lot of time to do that, and filming and all that kind of thing. So I can't do a daily update there, but I come to work here every day so I can snap a picture, type up a little something, and post it on Instagram. It's a lot easier for me to do that. So if you want to follow it daily, I'll probably do the first 30 days, and we're on day 13, 14. So check us out there if you want to. Something else I did today was I put down these two new products I got. One I've been using for the whole year, doing some testing, trial and error, that kind of thing. And we're just about ready to release that. It's really a cool product. You're going to like it. And then the second product is going to be something that we're probably going to release next year, early spring. It's something brand new to the market. Nobody else has it. And I've used it a couple times on my yard. Applied it today for the first time. So excited to see what's going to happen. Got the irrigation running. Going to water those in. I have mowed 2 times already. Woo! And yeah, I'm teasing you right now. I'm not giving you a close-up of it. I like for it to look its absolute best, and it's not quite there yet. But we're only 14 days past seeding. I think we're doing really, really well for 14 days, but it's not where I want it to be before I can show you a really nice mowing video. The Bermuda over there in the corner is giving me a little bit of a fit. I've been working on this project for a while, and I did not take into consideration the shade in that corner. It gets about maybe a half a day sun, roughly. The sun comes up over here and sets over here, so it's all maybe 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock sun till dark, and that's really the only sun it gets. Yes, the hot part of the sun, but Bermuda likes full sun all day, every day. The Bluegrass does too. It's actually taking longer. I mean, it's 14 days, and I've got just some little teeny tiny sprigs coming up after 14 days, so we'll keep an eye on that and see how that works. And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, Bermuda is a combination of Bermudagrass and Kentucky Bluegrass. They both have the same growth habit, same spreading characteristic. Of course, the Bluegrass is much darker than the Bermuda. It's kind of like you're getting the best of both worlds, low cut, the whole 9 yards. So hopefully that comes on in so I can show you some things on that. Alright, so hey, there's you an update. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go mow my yard right now, my fescue at the house. And it's about middle of July, and I'm going to fertilize it. Check you later.